Hello again. I've been asked to do this video. Sorry it sounds so echoey in here. I've been asked to answer the question, why do we offer to pay the solicitor's fees? Well, two reasons. The first one is, I really don't want to pay your solicitor's fees, but we find if I pay for them, basically I've got some leverage with the solicitors to speed the process up. So the first reason is speed, really. Second reason is expertise. Quite often we don't necessarily want to complete a sale until the property is renovated, such as this one, which was a wreck when we got it, simply because the tenants who were living here demolished it or didn't take care of it. So, I mean, the kitchen itself was an absolute diabolical mess. We've been using this as a paint booth area. The flooring here is ridiculously bad, but we've laid it out in here. So without giving you a tour of the house, basically we wouldn't want to purchase this house till it was done up. Now many solicitors say, oh no, you mustn't do that and all the rest of it. Well, we're not dealing with a solicitor, we're dealing with reality. And sometimes we say, look, we can't finance the deal, the property's completely trashed. So we need a solicitor with the expertise to deal with that. And that's why we have a list. Now, if you want to use your own solicitor, that's fine. The problem being is, if you do that, chances are they'll miss a deadline. It's just the way things are. That's how solicitors seem to operate. So what we normally do is say, yeah, well, we'll pay your legal fees if you use your own solicitor. But if they miss the deadline, then you'll be paying for them. Okay, because they're now costing us megabucks. And instead of the money we'd have paid them, we'll give it to registered charity like, say, the Dogs Trust or something like that. So that seems a fair deal to me. So that's why we do it. So speed and expertise. Okay, see you next question. Bye now.